Hello and welcome back. I'm having trouble with today's video because I wrote some stuff down and I'm trying to remember the lines and it's not coming out right and I can't remember the lines, and every time I try to say something, I say something different than what I wrote down, so I stop and I try again. So I broke it down into some bullet points. So hopefully you guys can bear with me, but I'm just going to kind of talk about it and not go off of my script. So what I wanted to talk about today was the 1928 copyright for Mickey Mouse. I think we all heard that it expired in 2024, which for us means that the Mickey Mouse that we grew up on, our parents grew up on, we raised our kids on, that Mickey Mouse can now be a villain. So the toys that we all loved and played with, that Mickey Mouse can now be the monster hiding under our bed. And that's exciting. So that brings us to Screamboat. In April of 2025, we get our first version of a scary Mickey Mouse. And of all people, we get David Thornton Howard, the Terrifier himself, as Mickey Mouse. That makes it even better. This is what Wiki says about it. Screamboat is an upcoming American slasher film co-written, produced, and directed by Stephen Lamorte. It is a horror reimagining of Walt Disney and UBI Works' 1928 animated short film Steamboat Willie. The film follows a group of New Yorkers who are terrorized by a murderous version of Mickey Mouse. It stars Tyler Posey and Kaylee Hyman, with David Howard Thornton playing Mickey. While the Walt Disney Company retains exclusive rights to the depictions of Mickey Mouse from their own franchise, the Steamboat Willie version of the character entered public domain on January 1st, 2024. One day later, Screamboat was announced. I met the director Steve Lamorte and his Mickey Mouse puppet, and the producer and actress Amy Schacher, and he assured me that his puppet does come to life sometimes. So I'll show you a picture of the puppet here shortly, but it's scary as hell. We got to take a picture in front of the full-size costume that David wore as Mickey Mouse, and it's freaky. It really is. Based on Steve's personality, I don't think that he has anything but good intentions for the character. We know it's going to be a murderous Mickey, but I think some people are concerned about Mickey Mouse's reputation getting tarnished, and I think to a certain extent, to the best of his ability, that won't happen, but there's going to be some blood on Mickey's hands this time around. So the movie poster, in the poster we see the back of Mickey Mouse, and he's standing at the Staten Island ferry terminal where you get on the ferry, and overlooking New York City. And so a few years back, we got to go to New York City, and we stood probably in that same location, overlooked the same city view, maybe rode on the same ferry, which makes it even more real and it makes it even more fun. So I can't wait. How do you guys feel about it? Alright guys, I just want to say thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow.